Guys, what's up? Kirby Smith, Lightspeed Construction, here with Randy D. Randy, former customer, still a friend. Thank you so much for having me out today.
Glad to have you.
Guys, today I wanted to take a look back at Randy's property and confirm that this big roof is aging exactly as it should. It's about, what, 3 years old, I guess?
Yeah, I think we're going on 3 years.
17.
Yeah.
Wanted to get a follow-up here and take a look at all of our work. I had really no comments. You guys can take a look at all the photos and some of the footage that I grabbed there. But Randy, I'd love it if you describe to folks kind of what the process beginning to end looked like working with us and the insurance company and everything.
Okay, well we bought the house about going on 6 years ago, and we knew the roof was a concern when we bought the house. There's some hail damage in the area, was never taken care of at the time that it happened. So it's been a concern. Finally, we had a little bit of wind damage, a couple shingles lost, and we called Kirby up to take a look at it.
Chimney too.
Oh
you
yeah.
Recall the chimney.
We had a tall chimney that was starting to just find its way off the roof.
Yeah.
And,
if you've got any old photos of that chimney as well, of it kind of doing what it did, I'd love them. I'm not positive I'll be able to put my hands on them, but so the chimney was beginning to rock back and forth. We actually had to reframe the chimney up, and then
that was a pretty detailed technical project, and Kirby kind of figured out how they might approach that, who we might get to help, and they did a really nice job with it. Changed the shape of it, and I think we'll never have a problem with that going forward.
Yeah, it actually made me jump into the International Residential Code, and I was doing my math and adding things together and figuring out how high the chimney needed to be. I don't get to do that every day, so that was kind of cool.
He was having somebody check his math. But
yeah, well, that would be you. You're kind of in the, I know you double checked about everything we did, but man, I definitely wanted to get you guys some good documentation and a story about the job that we did. I really appreciate it. Let me come out and take a look. Everything looks awesome out there. We were thrilled to get the work and the job, and happy to be a customer going forward in the future. And by any of your Facebook or friends or anything like that, anyone of you guys want to reach out to us, it's Lightspeed Construction. Randy will let you guys know that we did okay, right?
Yeah, these guys did a nice job. Made working with the insurance company very easy, and they brought out an experienced crew. They were supervised. We left somebody behind to help us with any little details, anything that we saw that we'd like to get looked at was looked at.
Details.
And it's all in the details, but they did a nice job. I'd recommend it.
Thank you so much, Randy. Much appreciated. And all the best to you and your family as some of your folks start to take a look at moving back to Knoxville. What a great place to be. So,
yeah.
Congratulations on having the family closer, man.
All right.
Take care, guys. Appreciate it.